how Zoom fits into your world as a business owner. I am Betsy Sabatini Coyne. I am a certified technology educator. I have many years in the technology business. I have been teaching people how to use technology and integrate it into their life and business for about 36 years. And it's all I've ever done. It's what I love to do. And those who have come to know me recently over the last couple of years have met me over Zoom because of when the world shut down abruptly in 2020. I knew a lot about Zoom. I knew how to teach a class on Zoom. And many of you who are industry professionals in many different industries, financial coaches, health coaches, real estate professionals, and educators, administrators, regulators, and school owners all had this need to keep the doors to your businesses open. And Zoom was the answer for that, and still is. Even though your doors are now open and people are coming to you in person, I know that you're still using Zoom or can use Zoom to grow your business even more. And that's what I want to get at. So if you've got some questions for me about Zoom or any technology, I am an expert also in Google Workspace and Google Business. I also teach Canva, as well as different ways to record yourself as a virtual and online entrepreneur. If your business is 100% virtual like I am, then you need to know a lot of these tools. Sometimes you don't know what you don't know. I don't know what I don't know, Betsy. Tell me what you know. And then we start a conversation.